Hey everybody, Stephanie here. I wanted to share with you a little tutorial on how I created a clickable PDF using the free version of the Canva software. And I'm saying that very specifically so I can get it all out. Basically, I created a PDF that I can send to anyone that is clickable. And what that means is, let me pull it up, hold the phone. All right, hopefully, hold on. I got to pull it up from here. Sorry, guys. So basically what that means is that I have this PDF that I can send to people that has all of the information all in one place for the collagen elixir. This is something that you can also do. Let's say if you wanted to create something like this for any of the other Isogenics products, or maybe even just to introduce people Isogenics, this could be something that you could do for that as well. Okay. So this is the PDF, you guys. And if you'll see, it just says Feel Better with Stephanie, which is my brand, introduces collagen elixir by Isogenics. I pulled all of this copy from Isogenics. They gave me that information. They gave all of us this information. This picture from Isogenics. These two pictures clearly from Isogenics. The only picture that is not on here that I did not pull from Isogenics business or any of the shareables was this little guy right here that says, "Hey, gorgeous, drink in your natural beauty." What I did was physically take a picture of the inside lid of my collagen elixir box, and then made it small so that it could go into this little space right here. But what I'm going to show you is if you are on this and you click here to learn more, it goes to the website that I created for collagen elixir called Skinimalism. If you wanted to, you could add a link that goes to maybe the Vimeo video from Isogenics that says, "Get to know this little bottle of amazing." That's a really great tool so that they can go to this picture, click on it. Just that's as easy as it is to go to more information to learn more. If somebody clicks on this little pink box right here, it's going to go to my Calendly calendar that gives me an option to link directly to a Zoom account. And therefore, someone can click on this and they can automatically ask for a Zoom meeting with me. How cool is that? And then if you scroll down here, you go to the beauty bundles. Well, if they click onto this beauty bundle, it's going to go straight to a recommended cart for the 4 boxes of collagen elixir from my back office. If you click on the 6, same thing for the Afterglow bundle from my back office. So if I'm sending this to someone and they just want to order right there, they have the ability to do that. The other thing that's clickable that you don't really see it unless you hover over it is my personal replicated website from Isogenics is right here. So if you click onto that, it will open up into, and I don't think you can see it, my own back office. So or my replicated website, so that if somebody wanted to learn more, they can go straight there. They don't have to look around for my website. They can literally go straight there to look for more information. So what I wanted to do today, guys, is show you exactly how I did this with the Canva product. And I am only using the free Canva product. Okay. So let me go back to sharing my screen with you. I have, oh, that is not what I wanted. Sorry. Sharing the wrong screen with you. This is what I wanted. Okay, guys. So let me just click and bring this over. So let's go to the Canva home page. If you are going to create this flyer, what I did was I chose this 5.5 by 8.5 inch flyer. And the reason that I did that is it's just big enough for me when it's on a computer to open it up and make it a little bit bigger. Okay. If you're on a phone, it still will click through your phone as well, but it's just a nice size to get everything that you want. So what you're going to do is you are going to create a flyer, and you can download any picture, any image, anything that you want to be on this flyer for you. So what I did is I went over here to uploads, and I uploaded quite a few images. Like there's the top of the box, right, that I just shrunk down to put at the bottom. Here are my two images for the boxes, the bundles. Here's that lady drinking her collagen. And this is actually where I pulled all of those details in that bullet form in order to um, um, pull that information, that copy in. Now, I want to scroll down here because another thing that I did was Isagenix gave us at Celebration last year these great backgrounds. You can see I've got a lot of images in here. I'm not really sure where my backgrounds went. Come on. Oh, and that's my daughter coming home. Holy moly. They're not here. I thought that they were here. Hi, Sammy. I'm recording a video. Hold on, guys. I'll find them. There they are. See these three? I used the white one. And this has the Isagenix, the new Isagenix logo in it. So all I did was click this and grab it and make it big so that it fit inside that flyer. And boom, there's my background. Now I'm going to scroll back up here. Let me show you what I did with this. So this is the image, right? All I'm going to do is hit crop, which allows me to say, okay, I just want to see that little bit. Hey, gorgeous, drink in your natural beauty. Hey, thanks, I think I will. So I'm going to drag that and bring that down here. All right. Now, some of the other images that we used, this lady, I put her up in the corner. And all I did was grab a text box over here, say just a subheading, click to find out more. So you make that small enough to where it will go. Oopsies, got to grab it when it's an X and put it right there. Okay. So now we've got our text over our picture, but what we want to do is click on that picture. And if you go right up here, do you see this little hyperlink? Okay. This is a hyperlink. So if you're going to grab a hyperlink, what you do is, let's say we go over to this little bottle, get to know this little bottle of loveliness. We're going to grab by copying this URL, go back over to Canva and paste it in here and hit apply. Now, when you do that and after you save it, when your person clicks on that image, it's going to go straight to that video. How cool is that? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make that text box that goes right up here. If you go to elements, you can grab just this color. Now, do you see how it pulled this peach from this picture and this picture? So it's going to give you color choices that already match the pictures that are there. Now, I personally wanted this to be smaller and I wanted it to go across the top. It'll give you that just, yeah, I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. Okay, I'm gonna move this guy down because I want her to not be touching. Okay, let me teach you something about the color. If you don't like this peach and you wanna change it, maybe you wanna make it a little bit darker like I did, you're gonna hit new color right here and you see how you've got all of these choices. All you do is you grab that orange or you grab that circle and you drag it. You drag it around until you find the color that you want. Now, I'm not really happy about any of these. I've grabbed other colors. That's okay, right? But here's another thing. Look at this. They've grabbed these colors from this picture and these colors from this picture. So I really like that one actually, better than I like anything else. That one's okay too. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to keep that there. Then I'm going to put another text box right up here. Now you can change, let's just say get to know collagen elixir. Okay, I'm going to grab this box by the X and put it up into here. They use these nice little hash marks to let you know when things are center. I like to use this Cardo. That's my favorite right now font to use for this particular box. Okay, I can also change all of the card. I can change everything to Cardo. Okay, so that's how you make a box. Now, again, if you go over to this color box, you can see this hyperlink is here as well. So if you wanted to create a hyperlink down here that went to your Calendly address, your Calendly calendar, so that they can click on there and immediately go to a Zoom account, that's something that you can do. And you can create that opportunity for them to, you could also choose for them to make a phone call with you. You can choose for it to go straight to an email, whatever you wish. You can have Calendly link to that box using the URL that Calendly offers you to make that opportunity for them to create an appointment with you. Now I'm going to go back up to uploads, and I'm going to grab one of these guys. Okay. I want him to be a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to shrink him and put him over here. Okay. This isn't going to be exactly the way that the other PDF was, because I did a lot of kind of maneuvering and making things as perfect as I want. But if you'll notice, this is another image that I've put on this flyer with a hyperlink. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go over to our Isagenix account. I am already inside my account, and I'm going to go to team, and I'm going to hit manage my recommended carts. If you haven't already done a recommended cart, this is where you're going to do it. However, before we go there, this is, if you go to resources in your back office, there's this amazing back office walkthrough. And if you click onto there, it is going to take you to this page that has this library of all of these videos. Guys, this is a recommended cart tutorial right here that shows you how to create a recommended cart. Very, very cool stuff. Okay, so if I go back over to my recommended carts, I've already created this cart for someone in my back office. And then what I did was, after I grabbed this Beauty Afterglow bundle, okay, I'm going to hit view. Actually, I'm not going to do this. What I did was I found it in my IsaLife app, because you know that is a way that you can share these recommended carts with people. So what I did was I grabbed that cart from my back office in my IsaLife app, and I texted it to myself. Okay, texted it to my own phone number. Once I was able to do that, now you can email it to yourself as well. I have a Mac, so I have all of my messages that come up, all my text messages come up on my computer. When I did that, I was able to put my cursor onto the image that was texted to me from my managed cart, grab the URL, then go back over and put it inside this hyperlink right here. Okay. Sounds a little complicated. Rewind this if you didn't get that, because it is something that is easy to do once you understand the concept. You create your recommended cart in your back office. You go to your IsaLife app. You text yourself the cart to your phone number or to an email address. Then you click onto the link, grab that URL by copying it, and paste it right into this hyperlink section. That is how you can create a clickable link that goes directly to your back office. Okay. Now let's say we're going to do one more text, because I want to show you this part at the bottom. You know how I had the my clickable website, right? So my isagenix.com. This is my website address. Okay. Again, all you have to do, click out of there, click back into it, and you will see right here, there's these 3 dots. There's the hyperlink. So all I do is I go back to wherever if I don't want to just type it in, you can just type in www.shingstenberg, this is so long, isagenix.com, and hit apply. And once you do that, then whenever somebody clicks onto this little part of your flyer, it goes straight to your website. Guys, this is just a really, really cool tool that allows you to pull all of these images and this data and all of this stuff into one place. Now, here's the last thing. I have to tell you this. When you're finished, when you've gotten this to where you want it to be, and you hit this button that says download. Hold on. I clicked it too many times. Okay. It's going to ask you what file type you want to download. In order for this to be clickable, you need to download the PDF standard. Okay. That PDF standard will download onto your computer. Then you can take it from there. You can email it to yourself. You can email it to other people. You can text it to people. You can send it through Facebook Messenger. There are so many applications to take this one PDF and send it to other people so that they can see it as well. I'm going to go back to my home and show you my finished product. And I called this the Collagen Elixir order form for me. So this goes back to my back office for these images right here. It's taken a little bit of time, taking its sweet time to come up. But you guys, this is just such an amazing tool to be able to share with people in an easy and wonderful way. It is taking its time. There we go. I think it's beautiful. I think it works really well. I've sent this to quite a few people already, and people are really responding very well to it. So if you have any questions or you would like some assistance, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you with this. Remember, what you need are your Isagenix business information in order to get those images that you want to put into your PDF. You need the free version of Canva. You need your back office, Isagenix back office, in order to get your managed carts so that you can put those into those images at the bottom. And you do need a replicated website. In your Isagenix back office, you can make one of those too. Use the default method right now because that's the most updated website and it is absolutely gorgeous. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Oh, Calendly. You also need a Calendly account if you want people to make an appointment with you, and that can link to a Zoom. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, you guys have a great day. Let's go get some collagen elixir. Bye.